shoot, definitely not a good time to not have AC. We just do the windows around here, boy. But anyways, guys, we just hit 1 million views on the channel. I cannot thank you guys enough. That sounds super crazy. I know a lot of people get that every video, but for just a small town average, guys, that is super sick. 1 million, what a milestone. And of course, we're gonna give back. That's just what I love doing on this channel, is living the life with all of you. So thank you. Thank you, thank you. All right, guys, so we just got our second YouTube paycheck. I cannot thank you guys again. At some point, we need to save money for some cool stuff, but what fun is that on YouTube? We gotta spend stuff and show you guys what we're doing, but we do have the daily out here. I did pick up one thing from the store here, had to get my dad something here, and then went ahead and got one of those magnetic trays for that way I don't lose hardware and stuff. That was only about $6, but I do have some ideas on how we're gonna spend the rest, so let's get back home and let's get to buying stuff here. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful morning here at the shop. If you can't see behind me, Ovi may be coming out this morning. I don't know, it's a little early yet, but not as early as we've been getting out here, so we'll see. Saturday morning, it's been a super hot week, in the 90s all week long. I just kind of wanted to try out the mic setup this morning, but we have been waiting on parts this week to film a couple videos that I've been wanting to get to you guys for some time. But today we are going to be checking out the back of the shop for a little project update. I've been wanting to show you guys this. This has been Ovi's main focus lately after taking care of all the customers down at Overtime. He's been out here busting butt behind the shop, making a super epic outdoor setup. I know we've covered this before. Also, I have a family vacation coming up here in the next couple weeks, so getting ready for that. Super pumped. Work's been busy, just life in general, but no excuses. Always grinding here at the shop. So today we are going to check that out. I also noticed the shop is kind of dirty, which means work is getting done. Sometimes you wonder, if people have super clean shops, how much work's actually getting done. But I'm going to pay it forward a little bit. You know, Ovi's been working on my race truck for me and just non-stop dedication to the channel and letting us film whatever, so I do want to kind of return the favor and clean up his shop a little bit for him without making it any worse. I know sometimes you have places for everything, so I'm trying not to disturb the peace, but also try to hook you up, buddy. So anyways, guys, yeah, just trying the mic setup. What do you guys think? Anyways, let's get inside, let's get out back and see what all's been getting on. Here we go, guys. Real quick, guys, I did want to show you, I am in the giving back spirit, so I did order some mugs here. They are some Yeti mugs. They're super sick in my opinion. I love like the stainless look, so these are some official lowball Yetis, and honestly, guys, I want to give back to you. So the first 3 people that buy a hat, I know low budget giveaways, nothing like Street Speed or anybody, but anyways, it's not like a raffle or anything. It's just the first 3 people that buy a hat from us. Oh yeah, I got one on. Something just like this. If you get on the website, it is through Etsy, through my wife Tori's old storefront. So if you guys want some merch, get on there. It's not a scam. Click the link above or below, and I will be sending the first 3 orders one of these Yetis as a big thank you to all the subscribers out there. Love you guys. Thank you. All right, guys, we can go ahead and head inside. The trailer project is one that I want to see get wrapped up because that thing is super epic. Ovi's excited to get that one wrapped up as well. There's the small skid loader out there getting worked on. We can head inside the shop here though and see. Got a little tile saw here too, cutting tile. So obviously getting work done out back. Like I said, we can come on over and see all the mess. Tile makes one heck of a mess in here. But here is the fire pit, fireplace, whatever you want to call it. Nice little rough country ad there. But anyways, said this tile is super hard to mess with. Lots of dirt, lots of dust, but going with this epic, you can see inside where he actually welded the whole cage for it. Now he's tiling it up to put that in out back. Super epic, got the whole welder set up and everything in here. If you guys didn't see in the last video, there's the new Razor. She is beautiful, ready to get some work done. So if you missed that, go back and see that. That's the newer whatever, Razor Pro XP, and she is going to be a ripper. That one's getting new motor. Can't wait for that, obviously. Want to see that, and that booger's going to go down the road. Wave Runner's been out because it's been nice, and eventually That's gonna get done too. The new motor put in the skid loader. We say it every time, but he is amped up to do all this stuff, guys. But let's go ahead and head out the back side of the shop here so we can see exactly what's going on, what he's been working on after work in the after hours. But look, more steps going in. Look at that, boy. The bar little setup going in here, that nice tile on there. I wish you guys could feel how nice that really is. You can see it's getting fabbed up. Chairs coming in. Ooh, little speaker action there. What you know about them built-in speakers? And it looks like he's added in some, I don't even know what these are gonna be, but they're metal, they're welded, they're painted, they're on there. Wish he was here to tell us, but that's all right. We'll come around. I did see some dials going in. So some music dials, looks like some lighting dials, and just gonna be absolutely lit. The TV's gonna go in there. Like I said, got music surround going in. Just super crazy. So that's kind of the hot tub chill area. Gosh, dude, how do you do this stuff? I can't even fathom it. But anyways, let's go around here. We've mentioned before the seating setup, the waterfall, and the speakers built into the fence. There it is. Man, super epic back here. You can just chill. There's another one. And this is what's new. We saw this swing setup in the shop last time, and there are the hanging swings. Look at that, boy. With AstroTurf down there. Look at the turf. Ain't even got to cut that grass. Boy, two of them hanging from that metal beam. Music behind you. Look at it, rockabye baby. Look at it rock. And a wall. Stroke the furry wall. What movie is that on? Look at this, guys. This is sick. I love it. Got the pavers. Got the cement steps in. Just going crazy out here. Love it. Plenty of seating. Music, swinging, furry walls. What you got else, boy? And like he said, he's gonna tear apart the shipping container to put in a bar, and he wasn't lying. Got that whole side cut out, got the wood up around the frame. This is looking epic. This is like some HGTV, dude. You should get a job on that show, boy. Look at it. Epic cutout, gonna have the bar up in there, and look at that sucker. The snap-on kegerator, look at it. Who needs a little Capri Sun? Go ahead and pull the lever, it'll come right out of there. Anyways, back down here. Look at the views on views, boy. This is crazy. Who wants to come chill out back at this setup? I know I sure do. That looks so good. And then you can stare out over at the camper. Oh, yeah. Watch the sunset, what have you. Just views. You see why he passes out here all the time. Working hard out there. Then you can just walk inside, turn on the AC, and go, boy. But yeah, these mornings out here, guys, super epic. What do we got going on back here? Got an old boat. Got an old camper. And we got the ATV hauler. Breaker 19. Put them on. Let's go. But yeah, look at the shipping container. Dude. This is crazy. I see why you're spending so much time out here getting it done. All right, so now if we head back in, we'll go ahead and try to get this sucker cleaned up and organized for Ovi a little bit. We got tools galore everywhere. We got dust everywhere, dirt, oil, motors, parts, boxes, grills, cans. I don't know. Oh, look at all that grass. There's more grass. Yeah, roll it out. Roll it out, people. Yep, we got to get this sucker cleaned up because it's a mess. get the big door open, get some air flowing through the shop. Man, it is so hot already, and it is 6:33 in the morning, and it is smoking hot already. But as you can see, got it cleaned up. Yes, I know I made you watch a boring montage of me sweeping the shop, but still, the moral of the story is take care of the people that take care of you. Pay it forward, return the favor, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't hurt to be a good person in this world, so I kind of organized everything so that way when Ove gets out here to work on his projects, maybe he can have a little better luck finding stuff. He probably knows where everything's at, but anyways, guys, that's what I'm doing here. But let's fire up the razor, shall we? Anybody watching? It's just you and me, guys. Let's try this sucker. How do you start it? You have to... Oh! Gotta have your foot on the brake, boy. Listen to it. She purring. Probably needs an aftermarket exhaust, but I'm sure Ove's got plenty of ideas for that. But look at this bad boy. Got LEDs down there? I didn't even fire it up in the last video, but gosh. This thing's sick. He's gonna take me for a ride at some point, but never driven a Razor. You guys probably already got them, but the steering wheel, this is like a Lambo wheel and a gosh dang Razor. All right, I'm having too much fun out here, guys. Whew, slow down, gotta catch my breath. All that cleaning, boy, got me worked. All right, guys, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go get some breakfast and wrap up for the day. Got a bunch of family stuff going on, super excited for celebrating the weekend with the family. Family first, always, you guys got to remember that. But if you are interested, like I said, copy some merch, get you a hat, get you a shirt. Ovi is working on getting me them designs at some point for overtime. And if you guys want the first 3 people that order a hat, a shirt from us, I am gonna send you those Yeti cups as mentioned at the beginning of the video. So if you did like this stuff, please give it a big thumbs up. Stick around, we got plenty of more content coming. Love y'all, peace. Oh, breakfast of champions, Casey's Pizza Boy. And speaking of being a good person, right over here is a F-150. The biggest piece of... Never mind, I'm gonna be a good. I'm sure there's some very nice people that drive them.